The Mekong River, before integrating into the ocean on the territory of Vietnam, her richest silt has expanded and coated the delta line. There's no place in the country where the nature and the people lives harmoniously like in Mekong Delta. Being favored by nature, the Lijian farmers great potentiality for aquaculture and pangasius. That's why Mekong Delta is the most nature-gifted place on the map of world aquaculturing pangasius. The Mekong Delta has been established by the silt of Mekong River for centuries. The land is about 40,000 square feet in area, and the population is over 18 million people. These features give the Mekong Delta benefits in aquaculturing. The river with speedy flows can ease the problem about environmental problem. The annual overflow season brings a huge amount of water creature and oxygen to keep them alive. In the past, local people used to culture by experiences, farming the pangasius in ponds and floating cages on the river. Now, it changes dramatically. The farmers now creating a modern pangasius aquaculture in larger scale. As the result, culturing pangasius potentially develops in provinces along the Mekong River such as An Giang, Đồng Tháp, Hậu Giang, Cần Thơ. From traditional ways, people use modern techniques in aquaculturing. They use the natural water from rivers or canals with wastewater treatment. Keeping clean surroundings, every year about 2 million pangasius are supplied. Therefore, the life of people and the infrastructure of Mekong Delta have previously improved. Pangasius has laid a foundation to develop economic potentiality of Mekong Delta. Established in 1993, Nam Viet Group Navico has become one of the leading branches in exporting in Vietnam. After 3 years, Navico is at the top of Vietnam aquaculture in export quota. In 2001, Navico concentrated in processing aquaculture with its started capital is 30.8 billion Vietnam dong. At the end of 2007, the number is 660 billion Vietnam dong and owned capital is 1,800 billion Vietnam dong. In December 2007, Navico, stock code ANV, posted 66 million stocks on the Ho Chi Minh City Stock Exchange. It means the capability of capital mobilizing of Navico has increased dramatically. In 2004, total asset 402.7 billion Vietnam dong. In 2007, total asset 2,344 billion Vietnam dong. In the last 5 years, the annual speed growth is about 54%. In 2004, the turnover reaches 1,004 billion Vietnam dong, including exporting turnover, $61.6 million. In 2007, the turnover is 3,193 billion Vietnam dong, including exporting turnover $200 million. In 2008, the expecting number is about $270 million. Nam Viet Group has confidence in its development plan because Navico has 4 major factories: Nam Viet Frozen Seafood Factory, Pacific Ocean Frozen Seafood Factory, Atlantic Ocean Frozen Seafood Factory, India Ocean Frozen Seafood Factory. All the factories are well equipped with modern technologies in frozen seafood processes which are from Japan and Italy. The manufacturing process is designed by closed-chain production, following the food safety rules. Navico can secure not only the highest quality, but also cost-competitive production with making all productions flow automatically. Navico takes pride in a huge labor force that reached 20,000. It is a labor force with skilled, innovative, and dedicated workers. Every year, Navico has annual educational plan to make sure that our workers have chance to access and learn new technologies in aquaculturing for better quality products. Navico plant is completed according to the ISO 17025 standard. Navico has been certificated in Vietnam by HACCP, SSOP, GMP, SQF 2000, ISO 9001-2000, Halal, Global Gap, in Europe by BRC, IFS. Navico products have been exported over 90 countries and been approved by thousands of consumers. Gradually, Navico has momentum to join the global market. With strategic position in Mekong Delta, Navico is always in active standing position for raw materials, low transportation fee. That would help Navico upgrade competitiveness of the products. The closed chain production from seed classification section to processing livestock food section, supplying clean breeding process for counterparts, developing its raw materials within 200 hectares square area. Navico also cooperates with many universities for many researchers to help farmers enrich their knowledge in aquaculture. Therefore, the products are made with high quality. Alongside with well-planned development methodologies, protecting the environment, the aquaculture and pangasius have developed steadily, helping to improve local people's lives and the economy of Mekong Delta outlook. Besides, Navico has always realized that business is not only to make business profits, but also to help the community. Navico set by caring about the life of employers, their salary and welfares. Many charities are taking place during its activities in Mekong Delta area and far beyond, such as awarding scholarship for study encouragement society, building houses for poorer people. It has been Navico's philosophy for years. In 2010-2015, Namviet Group focuses on improving the business automation and management systems to maintain the #1 spot in the top list of Vietnam aquaculture, building new firms to produce more added value products, increasing profit and protecting the environment, globalizing and widening the marketplace, ensuring the right of shareholders, annual turnover and profit around 20%. Namviet Group is the biggest processing pangasius in Vietnam. We have 4 major seafood processing facilities, produce 2,000 tons of fish every day. We have 20,000 skilled workers, including 1,000 university-graduated engineers. The products are completed by international guidelines according to the food safety rules around the world. Our products have consumed over 90 countries. Annual exporting quota increased from 20% to 30%. We commit that our products are at the highest quality. The consumers will be pleased with our products. Thank you. Aquaculture and pangasius have become potential exporting products of Vietnam. With new prospects, new strategy, Namviet Group, as well as Vietnam, has confidence in integrating and developing in world market.